This is a 260 watt, a split-type laser from Wriggle pump source. The overall shell is made of aluminum alloy, and the color is oxidized, which is black. Look at the launch switch. Power switch. 2.0 guide rail. It's XT60 power interface. The lens is compatible with 20-42. This is a custom-made one. It's great, with a fan at the bottom. It's very small and delicate. It has 260 watts power. It has a strong texture. This is its 8-section 2170 battery compartment. The XT60's output, and the display of the power on. Charging interface, such as Type-C and 5-volt USB. Power output. The aluminum alloy shell is very beautiful. This is included with the machine. A 1-meter power cord. XT60 has an L-shaped interface design here. It can install a cutting lens. This is a 30x K91 laser lens. It can be adjusted by pushing and pulling.
怎么样？非常猛，还没有安装镜头。非常轻松啊，风扇的声音也很小。